The best way to unlock the best for your knowledge and skills is through watching my YouTube videos. Welcome to my YouTube videos. This is Gideon. Let's continue with our sessions for today. Today specifically, I would like to take us briefly on how to make life easier, more especially for teachers. That's a way of getting the report cards, actually putting the records on the report cards. Fine, of those days, most teachers they do their things on the blackboards, what manual calculating. But the computers brought new technologies which help us to solve that problem. So today I will teach you on how to use it. That we always use it through Excel, which manipulates and gives for us the right, right, right answers. So today, assuming this is our gradings, these are the personalities which we are going to grade and make their report cards. First of all, what you are going to use for making this report card, I think I will use the if functions. What is that? That if functions. Today, you have to grade your students accordingly from the highest to the lowest, and then you get their grades. Okay, so you have to use if open the bracket, if this person gets what? Okay, we put it there. If b8 b2 is greater or equals to 80, we assign it d2 d1, then you close the bracket. Then you put again comma. If you open the bracket, again this p2 is greater or equals to 75, comma, make it hyphen, we put it d2, we close the bracket, comma, again if p2 is greater or equals to 70, put it comma, you open the put it credit 3, then you close it. If b2 is greater or equals to 65, comma, we put it credit 4, you close, comma again, if is greater or equals to 60, comma, we put it credit 5, comma, if is greater or equals to or equals to 55, comma, we put in here, and then we give it credit 6, we close it, put again comma, if is greater or equals to F equals to 50, comma, you put it, credit, this is past 7. Again, comma, if bracket A2 is greater or equals to 40, comma, open, you put it as 8. You close it. Then you can put comma. Now you are finishing the last part. You put it F9. Then you close it. Then we close the bracket. How many brackets are there until it goes up to the black one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is done. Okay, this is our stuff. Then you just go, drag it downwards. That is how it is. For the rest, you just go, you click here, you just copy. Now you come to here. So you just come and paste it here. So the only thing is you just go and you remove where you just added the bees, so that it doesn't waste your time. To make it easy. Okay, these are the ones. So you move to the other one, you just put equal sign, you paste, then you just go and change. You use this value, it is F reference. The shell reference is it is F. You just go and change B with the F only. Just go and change B with the F. Is that one done? Just go and change B with the F. Remember, I've just copied the things in there first. So this understand. You just go and you copy. Simple. See how you are doing. So you just go back where the reference is H. You just go and change B with the H. B with the H. Is H2. And let's change B with the H. Simple as like that. So that you don't waste time writing it. So these are the ones. And then let us get the average. Average, you put equal sign. For average, you write just average. Then you put enter. Just you come. Take the thing back, you take the cursor downwards. Then you get your average, and then you come to position, you just put equal sign, you rank it now, put rank, and then what do you rank them? This one, what is the number? Then you put comma, rank it from there downwards. Then you put comma, from ascending, yeah, you put 0. So it will change itself such that you just come, you highlight this one here, you put Alt, then F4. F4, so that you come downwards. Then you see how this is. Then for comments we can use if. We use if function. Now if the average is greater or equals to, let's put 51, comma, we make the person to be promoted. Then we close it. Then we put formal. We put it for the person who got less failed. Then we close the bracket. Yes. And then make it downwards. So this is how the report card is. This is how the report card is. This is how our report card is. So it is so nice. So make it down. So this is how our report cards appears. How it appears, very nice like this, so easy, so brilliant. So thank you guys, this is how we struggle always over the YouTube to make your work easy. So please subscribe and find the best of it. Thank you. God bless you.